Hello guys, your AutoCAD operator is back. In this video, I will share to every one of you how to plot the coordinates, okay, in just a minute into your AutoCAD. Okay, so before we jump to the tutorial, I would like to say thank you to all of you. If you are new in this channel, don't forget to like, share or subscribe so you're always updated once I make a video like this. Okay, so here I am in Excel. Okay, this is the coordinates that surveyors given to me. Okay, this is almost similar into my last tutorial. Okay, but this is in the piping. Okay, piping coordinates. So in my last tutorial is no any formula there. Okay, you just simply no any formula that I will use in that tutorial. Okay, and here this is the step 1. Okay, step 1 is to make a formula. So don't worry, I cannot explain it one by one. That I just put in the description of this video this Excel, so you can play it once we finish this tutorial. So always this is the easting and this is the northing. Okay, and this is the formula that I use in Polyline, and this is the formula that I use into the points exact location of these two coordinates in AutoCAD. Okay, so now before we proceed, I want to suggest to all of you that please watch the this video tutorial, okay, in every part or up to the end, so you cannot miss any one of the important things to do the plotting into your AutoCAD software. So I just opened this tutorial, my format. So this is the format that I use in this tutorial. So this is my manually make. Okay, this is my manual. Okay, I did this in manually. Okay, almost half day I did this one because for the typing and everything. Okay, so it's not advisable to do it manually. Okay, by commanding Polyline, enter 00 and coordinates easting northing, it's very hard. Okay, so now I get this kind of procedure. Okay, I just insert the coordinates here in Excel and I just give the formula here. So if you double click this, see this is the formula concatenate I use. Okay, and into the Polyline, and here in the point, this is only the formula is equal to 0, 10. Okay, that is only the formula for the points. So once we finish this tutorial, I put all in the description this Excel CAD file, okay, including the X and Y leaves. Okay, because that is very important. That is included in this tutorial. Whatever included in the tutorial, I put in the description of this video, so you can follow what exactly works for this one. So, okay, as usual, of northing and easting. Okay, this is the Polyline. Okay, so I just open here, and first thing we will do, okay, is to set my units. Okay, units. So my precision is okay, 3.0, no problem. I use this millimeter and hit OK. So, and now if you see no any toolbar here, okay, I just command Control 0 for that one. So it hide and unhide, Control 0. I want this, my screen is big, so it's very clear to each and everyone who's watching this. So I just simply, first thing I will do is to command viewports, okay, viewports, to make it clear. Okay, so this is the reference, okay, and this is the new one, or here, okay. And now I just command MO. This is the first step that we did. MO, I want to color of this line is magenta, okay, so not in layer, okay. So just the color for here. So, and now I maximize this. I go to Excel, okay. This is my polyline, so I just simply Control Shift arrow down, copy, and I just go back into my CAD, okay, command polyline, hit enter, and I just simply paste it here. So if you will see, automatically platted, okay, so automatically platted here. So now we are finished to plotting the piping routing. Okay, so if you will see here, there is some easting and northing assigned in this piping, okay. So that is our second step, but we cannot complete it, so this tutorial is not take it long for that one, okay. I just get only one here up to here maybe, and we go here, counter check if this is right, okay, if this is accurate. So now this is the first step, the plotting using the polyline, okay. For this one, I double click, see it here, okay. I use the concatenate, okay, for the Excel. So the second step is to make a points, okay, in every easting and northing coordinate. So how can I do this one? Okay, I just simply command DDTY PE, okay, set it here, and let's say set size in absolute units and points size is 2, okay. So I hit OK. So I hope that clear to each and everyone, okay. And I just go back into my Excel, and now remember we are finished in the polyline, okay. So we proceed now into the points. So I get this one, Control Shift arrow down, and copy it, go back into the AutoCAD, okay. So now I just command MO, okay, to change it the color, okay. Let's say red I put for the points, so it's make it clear, okay. And I just simply go here, command point or PO point, and I just simply hit enter, okay, and place it here, okay. So if you see, there is a point going to exactly in the piping routing. Why? Because I make a formula here to here by using the equal sign, okay. You can see it up there once I give it this Excel, okay, just counter check it and you can use it, the formula. Okay, so now we already put the points for our pipe routing. Okay, so now we will check it now here. Okay, in the coordinates. Okay, for example here, I just want to explain first. For example here, the most important in easting and northing is the first last 3 digit. Okay, first last 3 digits. So now we will see it and counter check it if this is the same into our platted came from this formula of Excel. So we will counter check it. So to do that one, I just command upload. Okay, upload, and I get this X and Y load. Okay, I give it also including in all of this whatever I use here in this tutorial, I put in the description of this video. Okay, so now once I upload that clips, I just command X and Y. Okay, so we counter check it, this one. So this is the start, F8. So if you will see 714 714 881 881. Okay, and now we go to the second one here, counter check it here. Okay, in this point, so X and Y, enter, F8, so 421 4210. Okay, so the last one is no problem. Okay, easting and northing, the first 3 last one or first 3 last digits is the most important in the easting and northing. Okay, so 4281 4210 is no problem. Okay, we save this one. So now we go here and counter check it here, X, Y, enter, and F8. So 427 427. Okay, so in just a minute we can complete it, everything, this one. But here, before I start this one manually, it may be almost half day to insert this one, to make the polyline and everything, and make this, okay, by commanding leader, okay, and type it one by one, the easting and northing. So I ate a long time. So I'm lucky because I get this kind of technique using the including the lips that I downloaded. Okay, so now I will, in this video, I will give it all this kind of techniques, and I know that this is all helpful to each and everyone who's working in the engineering department, okay, especially in the surveying department. So X and Y, counter check again this one. Okay, wait, sorry, erase, X, Y, enter. So in this part is 430,657 4690. So the same, okay, 283011492 okay. So we already got everything, okay. So we go here, just counter check once more this in this part, okay. So we cannot do it one by one all, okay. So this, for example, in PC4, so PC4 in the radius, this is the radius 1, okay. So we counter check the VI4 for the radius 1, okay. So X and Y, here and F8. So 654, 65. So we are not in that part. Sorry. So okay, so we are not in that part. This is the one. Okay. Okay, 065. Okay. So that is in the radius 1. Okay, and we counter check it here in the next one. Okay, PT5 XY, enter. 521. Okay, 521 34114 24 521. So it's the same. So only in just only 1 minute or 5 minutes, 10 minutes, we can finish it, including the coordinates and the pipe routing of this kind of piping. Okay, so I just go back to ports, okay, and come back into single. So we already finished in this tutorial. So you have already 2 steps for plotting in AutoCAD using the Excel again, okay, with formula of the easting and northing. Okay, remember in my last tutorial, the elevation, that one, okay, the profiling, interval, and this is easting and northing with the pipe routing. So there is some formula, so it's equal once you paste it here in the AutoCAD. So I hope that you learn again another tips and tricks to this channel. So if you like this kind of content, please subscribe so that you are always updated once I make a video like this. And don't forget to view my Revit tutorials, okay, and including this AutoCAD tutorial in this channel. So thank you very much. See you in my next video.